Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be diving into Edraw AI, a powerful AI-driven online platform that takes visual creativity and productivity to the next level. You don't need to download or install any software. It's all available right from your browser. Whether you are into creating complex flowcharts, analyzing data visually, or simply looking for a smarter way to organize your ideas, Edraw AI got you covered. With its AI-powered features like mindmap, flowchart, diagrams, and even advanced capabilities such as AI file analysis, AI drawing, and AI image generation, Edraw AI helps you work faster and smarter. The link of this platform is available in the video description. First of all, click on Get Started icon and you have to sign up and log in here. After login, you will see an interface like this. On the home page, we have different options like AI mind map, AI flowchart, AI file analysis, AI drawing. And down below here we have hundreds of templates like mind map templates, flowchart templates, architecture diagram, roadmap, table and chart, UML diagram, and etc. You can use these ready-made templates for your projects. So let's start with the AI mind map. With the AI mind map generator, all you need to do is input your main idea and Edraw AI handles the rest. It generates subtopics, organizes them visually, and structures your mind map automatically, saving your time and effort. Here we have some example prompts. You can also use these type of prompts to test this platform. I will enter the topic product design and click on start icon. And wait a minute here while it's processing. And you can see Edraw AI is generating the mind map as per your idea. Here you can see it has generated a beautiful mind map as per your prompt. On the right hand you have some options like background. You can change the background color. You can add the texture. You can add the image. You can change the theme color, or you can also change the theme. Here you have multiple theme options. Select the one you like. You can also change the layout. Here you have different layout options. Select any layout you like. Let me show you some layouts. You can see that all the layouts looks amazing and highly polished. You can also change the font settings. You can change the topic fill color. You can change the line color, line shape, connector styles, branch colors, branch style, connector styles, and line color. Here we have also AI options like intelligent expansions, one-click mind maps, smart annotations, copywriting, translation, brainstorming, etc. You can also use these AI options. After you are satisfied with your mind map, it's time to export. You can export your mind map in image file, PDF file, Microsoft Word, Excel, HTML, SVG, etc. It provides different formats. Select the one you like and click on export icon and done. Next we have AI Flowchart Generator. These tools make creating flowcharts super easy. Just input your steps and Edraw will automatically generate a clear, professional flowchart. Simply enter your prompts or main idea here and click on start icon. And the AI will start its works. And done. You can see it has generated a beautiful flowchart. You can edit this flowchart in Canvas. Here we have multiple theme options. You can change the theme color. You can change the connector, or you can also change the text font. There is also an AI assistant. You can ask any question here related to your work. And next we have AI diagram feature. This tool allows you to create detailed diagram effortlessly. Just provide the key elements and Edraw AI will automatically arrange them into a well-structured diagram. You can also select the diagram type like AI selection, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, and etc. I will select the AI chart, enter your prompt here, then click on start icon. it has generated an AI diagram. You can also edit this diagram into canvas. And same as the previous, you can change the theme color, font, corner, etc. Now let's look at the AI file analysis feature. This tool allows you to upload files and Edraw AI will analyze the content for you. It extracts key information, highlights important data, and organizes it in a structured format. Whether it's a report, document, or dataset, these features save you time by summarizing and simplifying complex information. Simply select your file here and click on Start icon. And you can see it has completely analyzed my document and presented all the key points. No manual work needed. You can also convert this to mind map. Next we have air drawing feature. This innovative tool allows you to create stunning visuals effortlessly. You can sketch your ideas and Edraw will refine them into polished drawings. Here we have three models like universal model, comic model, and image to image. I will use universal model and you have to enter a prompt, then select image size and the quality. You can also select the style, then click on Start Generating. And done. You can see it has generated a beautiful visuals as per my prompt. Next we have AI chat. You can ask any question from Edraw AI. And here we have two options like article generation and weekly report generation. You can generate articles, weekly reports. You can translate your paragraphs. Here we have copywriting option also. I will select article generation. Simply enter the topic of your article and it will generate the article as per your command. And done. And you can see it does a wonderful job. Next we have the AI image feature. Edraw AI offers a range of powerful tools for your image needs. You can use the background remover to easily eliminate unwanted backgrounds, while the image cleanup tools enhance the quality of your photo. The photo enhancer improves overall appearance of your images, and the image super resolution tool increases image clarity without losing detail. Additionally, there is the image compressor to reduce file size without compressing quality, and the watermark remover to effortlessly get rid of unwanted logos and marks. Next we have the AI OCR feature. This tool allows you to convert images or scan documents into editable text. With Edraw AI advanced OCR feature, you can extract text from various formats. These features save you time and effort. So that's all for this video now. The link of this platform is available in the video description. So must check it out and comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.